Good evening, students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, in our last class we have completed exercise 2.1. Okay. Today we are going to see the revision part. Okay, for your examination, first midterm examination. For coming week, next week we are going to write max examination on Wednesday, I think. Okay. So you should study well all the given exercise from chapter 1 and also geometry 4.1. Okay. Let's see today 1 marks, all 1 marks from exercise 1.1 to 1.6. Okay, let's start now. Okay, let's see first exercise 1.1. Fill in the blanks. The smallest 7-digit number is, okay, the smallest number always start with number 1. Here they are asking 7-digit number. So first smallest 7-digit number, smallest start with number 1. After you put 60, totally we get 7 digits. Okay, so finally we get the answer 10 lakhs. Okay, so next largest 8-digit number. Largest number means you start with number 9. 8-digit number. So 8-digit number means you put 9 in 8 times. Okay, so you get the answer 9 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Next one, the place value of 5 in given one number. We are going to be find out the place value of number 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So therefore it's in thousands place, and then 5000 also a correct answer. Okay, go to the next one. The expanded form of the number 76,70,905. First you take the number 7. 7 comes in the 10 lakhs place. So here we put 10 lakhs. 7 into 10 lakhs plus 6 into lakhs place plus 7 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 0 plus 5 into 1. Okay. So go to the next, say true or false. You see that successor of a 1-digit number is always a 1-digit number. Successor means after number. Okay, for example, you take the number 9. So the next number will come 10. So it will comes 2-digit number also. So it is not a correct answer. It is false. So predecessor of a 3-digit number is always 3 or 4-digit number. It is false. False. Okay, so here predecessor means it is a before number. Okay, before number always comes 2-digit or 3-digit. So here they given 3 or 4-digit. So it is false. Go to the next one. In the Indian system of numeration of the number is given written as, okay, Indian system we put the commas from the back side. You leave 3-digit, after 2-digit, after 2-digit. So you will get the answer is 6 crores 79 lakhs 99,937. Okay, it is true. Go to the next, 88,888. So here thousands place have here missing. So it is false. Okay. So go to next, adjective type questions. The successor of 10 million is, so 10 million has 7 zeros. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the last one they are asking the successor of successor means after number 10 million, after 10 million 1. So here the last one change 1. So the answer is B. The difference between the successor and predecessor of the number is number 2. So next one, the 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. Next, the expanded form of the number. So you know very well how to write the expanded form. So the last one is the answer. Okay, now let's see the exercise 1.1 question answers. How many 10,000s are there in the smallest 6-digit number? Okay, so how many 10,000s are there in the 6-digit? Smallest 6-digit number is lakhs. Okay, so 10,000. So 1 lakh, I have written the place value chart. So here first you take 1 lakh, after you take 10,000. So now divide the both numbers, you will get the finally you will get the answer is number 10. So therefore in 1 lakh has 10,000s. Okay, so go to the next one, the observe the comma and then write down the place value of 7. Okay, place value of 7, you very simple and easy. So see here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, the 7 is placed in the 10 lakhs place. So that is the answer is 70 lakhs. Okay. Okay, let's see the second one comes in the international system. So international system, see here the last 3 digit leave after 3 numbers you can put the commas. So the number 7 is placing in the millions place. Okay, therefore the answer is 7 million. Okay, go to the next one. Write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. Okay, so international system means 3 numbers you have to put the commas like that. So the answer comes very simple and easy. You can see this. Okay, next one. Write the largest 6 digit number and put commas in the Indian and the international system. First you need to write largest 6 digit number. Largest number always start with number 9. 6 digit means you have to write the number 9 at 6 times. So you will get the Indian system. By Indian system, so last 3 digit, leave 3 digit, after 2 numbers you can put the commas. So next in international system, leave 3 digits, 3 numbers you can divide and put the comma. So this number 9,99,999. So this number 999,999. Okay. So go to the next question. Okay, see the 7th question. Write the number name of the following numeral. 75 lakhs 32,105. So first, so using the procedure, after you write the number name like that. Okay, so next see the same second one. 9 crores 75 lakhs 63,453. So I put the place value chart, after write the number name like that. Okay, so don't write the spelling mistakes. You need to study this, write the number names one time. Okay, in your rough note. Okay, next international system. So 345,678. So this one also the same. So put the place value chart, after you write the number name. Okay. Okay, now let's see the 10th question. Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometer of the forest land. Write the number mentioned in the statement in Indian system and the international system. Okay, so here the answer is 26,345 square kilometer. Okay, so they are they given the number name, so we write the number. The number of employees in the Indian Railways is about 10 lakhs. Write this in the international system of numeration. So here in Indian system is 10 lakhs. We are going to be write the 10 lakhs in international system. Okay, so that is answer is in international system. You put the place value chart like that. So after you finally get the answer is 1 million. So the 10 lakhs is 1 million. Okay, so next you see the adjective type question. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. Okay, so we have completed this one. So you see this in your classwork also. Okay, so go to the next exercise. So fill in the blanks with greater than or less than or equal to. So here, so first you see the number of digits on both sides. So here 5 digits having, here also 5 digits having. So compare one by one numbers. Okay, finally you get 7. Here comes 7, here comes 9. So 9 is the greatest number, so you put the less than sign here like that. Okay, so which side have a largest number, you put the open mouth that side. Okay, on that side. Go to the next second question, also the same. So compare the number on both sides. Here number coming 8, here number coming 6. 8 is the greatest number, so you put greatest sign as this side. Okay, go to the next. The last one is 2 numbers are equal, so you put equal sign like that. Okay, go to the next one. The difference between the smallest number and the 7 digits and the largest number of 6 digit is number 10. So here I put the answer. So finally we get the answer is number 1. But they given number 10, it is false. The largest 4 digit number formed by the digits 8609 using the each digits only once in 9086. So this answer is 9860. So it is false answer. The total number of 4-digit number is 9000. So it is true. Okay. So let's see now question answers. Okay, let's see. Of numbers, they given 3 numbers. Which one is largest? Which one is the smallest? So here the largest, first you need to count all the digits, number of digits in the given number. So the first number having 10 digit number is the greatest number, 9 digit number have the second one, next 8 digit number is the last one. So therefore the largest number is 10 digit number, first number. So the smallest number is the last one. Okay, that's it. Go to the next. Arrange the following numbers in the descending order. So how can we write the number in descending order? First you need to see the place value chart. Okay, so see here I put the place value chart for the number. Okay, finally I am written the descending order, greatest number to smallest number. Okay, so go to the next one. Write any 8 digit number with 6 in 10 lakhs place and 9 in the 10,000s place. Okay, so finally we get the answer. First prepare the place value chart with the 8 digit number, 6 in 10 lakhs place and 9 in 10,000s place. So other places with any of the number you can fill. So therefore the place value chart number is, you get the answer maybe this number. Okay, next Rajan writes a 3 digit number using the digit 479. What are the possible numbers he can write? Very easy and simple question. So first you take the numbers 479. So next you will change their numbers, places you will change. You will get totally 6 numbers. Okay, so 479, 497, 749, 794, 947, 974. Okay, so go to next. 7th question. The password to access my ATM card include the digits 9, 4, 6 and 8. It is smallest 4 digit even number. Find the password of my ATM card. So here they are asking the even number. So even number means the last one comes the even number. Here have 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Because here the largest number they are asking. So the see here the smallest number with these digits is 4689. So therefore here the number is a even number, so we change their places 9 8. So this password number is this number. Okay, the next one, the postal index number consists of the digits. The first 3 digit number is given, the largest and the smallest postal index numbers using the digits 0 3 6 each only once. So the pin number consists of the digits 6 3 and 1. Okay, you take the place value chart, the largest number 631, after 100 tens place and ones place you will put that 110. So next one smallest number 011. So the postal index numbers are coming like that. Okay, so next mountains, heights, very simple and easiest question, already I taught you. Okay, so you see this in your book and also your classwork, refer your classwork. So dear students, today class is over. You need to write all the, you need to study all these questions from exercise 1.1 and 1.2. Okay, this is your today's assignment. Study well, prepare well for your examination. Okay, so we will see tomorrow. Bye children, have a nice day.